Nerd Weekly starts right now, so stick around. Might even learn something. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Nerd Weekly, a show where we talk about the fact that console gaming is 100 times better than PC gaming. Alright, first story of the week. Speaking of consoles, guess which beloved PC game is finally coming to console? That's right, none other than PC Building Simulator. What? Yes, you heard me right, PC Building Simulator is coming to console. It seems a little counterintuitive, doesn't it? But before you say too much, let me just say that PC Building Simulator isn't necessarily just about building, like, insane PC rigs, but that is part of the fun part about it. It's a story of a kid who takes over his uncle's PC repair shop. You start out cleaning dust out of old Pentium machines and work your way up to working on top-of-the-line computers. And you get the point. It's a story. There is, however, a free-play mode where you can just build whatever PC you could possibly dream up, but that's a different story. OnePlus, the manufacturer of budget flagship phones, has announced a new product with a genius naming scheme. Yes, I am in fact talking about the OnePlus TV, aptly named the OnePlus TV. Now, we don't have a release date for this TV, nor do we have any specs, but the company did tell us why they chose this name. They claimed that there was no other name that could best represent their value and pride more than using their own brand. Apparently their TVs will be tackling the notoriously difficult market with 43 to 75-inch LED TVs running Android TV. They also told us to stay tuned as there will be more exciting news coming soon. So stay tuned and we'll cover that when it comes out. And now the feature story. Cameras. They would be absolutely the last device you would expect to get a virus, right? But apparently not. YouTube Tech Channel Checkpoint, that is a mouthful. YouTube Tech Channel Checkpoint was able to hack into a camera's Wi-Fi and install ransomware, at which point the owner of the camera would see a message saying that they would have to pay a fee to get a code which would unlock their photos. Checkpoint also noted that the cameras are actually a really good point of attack, given that you're paid to take pictures of people and you'd probably like to not get sued. They're suggesting to install the latest security patches on your camera and turn off all Wi-Fi connectivity until that time. But you know what's also suggested? Continuing this episode, but we're not going to, because I said so. Guys, come back next week on Wednesday for more tech news. And if you liked this video, you can hit that button. If you really liked it, you can get subscribed, hit the bell for notifications of future videos, and go check out River Chicken where I make gaming videos of Minecraft and stuff, which is also linked in the description. But until then, guys, stay safe, stay awesome, and as always, guys, stay nerdy. Later.